Today's Sunday. I got a call last night, and since I'm not doing much today, I'm gonna go hang that, see that opener in the back of my truck? I'm gonna go hang that opener. When I get there, I'll be back on. I'll get back to you when I get to the job. Till I'll catch you. Into the door over there. Hello, doggy.
How you doing?
Yeah, look at the little snake there.
Yeah, you know, I'm gonna go open the door.
Okay. All right. It must be this one, right? Yeah. What did I do here last time?
Well, you replaced this.
Oh, put the opener in? And then this one, yeah, if the belts shoot up, I mean, it's going to sound, is it grinding kind of?
No grinding.
It usually skips over that spot.
I think it's chewed in both ends.
Where did you see the chewed mark? It's missing the teeth. Yeah. Oh, it's hooked on. It's not even moving. It sounds more like the gear. It's hooked on. Yeah, so you have a gear in there, a nylon one?
Yep.
That's not meshing with the motor gear. So when the motor spins, it turns that, and then that one goes up on a hub, and it goes around the top.
So it's stripped on the inside?
Yeah, it's not even moving the belt.
Yeah, no, it's not.
So it still should move. You see how the belt's not moving?
Yeah, you're right.
So that gear is messed up too, on the inside. But I mean, it's not worth really salvaging these. They were cool at the time, like, you know, they look cooler and stuff, but they're not really
Back
that good.
in the 1900s?
Yeah, now they're all battery backups, and if you have a power failure, they still work.
Yeah,
but
anything exotic, just essentially that here.
yeah, if you want to get out of here. Yeah, I have one.
Go ahead.
That was easy.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll go ahead and get started.
Okay.
All right. These are raised panel wood doors. This is what I normally used to put in. I like them better than the steel doors. I'll close it all the way down. See, these are 5 sections. Got some dry rot there. Who put these stops on? I don't know what these guys were thinking here. What is that? Oh, this is a piece they put inside. And they have the door rubbing against that. I get it. Hey, I got the opener up there.
How's it going?
Good. And then you had a different radio receiver. This thing, it's for a gate opener. This is probably because they were so old they couldn't get another remote. So that's an outside, like a aftermarket radio. But you don't need that now. This had a built-in radio, so it'll be programmed to a whole different thing. This had rolling codes too. That was digital code. So
what's a rolling code?
Well, every time you push it, it changes the code. So people have code grabbers and they aim them at your door. So when you push the button, they get your code and then they come in. This has this rolling code where they can never get the code. Hi, if you're ever wondering what these wires are hanging out, that wire there went to your sensors, but whoever put the opener in, they ran their own wire. See
Yeah,
here?
they didn't use that wire.
Yeah, is it built into your car?
It's built in. Yeah, we've got it.
Well, these right?
You want me to try to program them?
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I got for the opener. $15.95. Took me less than an hour. I talked to him longer than it actually took. She has a son or nephew she thinks should take our course because she said it's a good business and she's filthy rich. Here's my old sticker on the back of this opener. This opener was put in by us in up here 1996. It was manufactured. And they're still calling us off of these stickers that we put up in the garage. So you guys could market yourself with the stickers. You'll still get calls. Anyway, $15.95. The opener cost $200. Made almost $1,400. Took me an hour. So here, 3 doors there. I've worked on those doors before. I've worked on all these doors. In fact, that last house we just drove by, I think we have a video of me there working on that one. When you're actively out there doing jobs every day, this is what you run into. You can do this in your area. I'll show you how to do it. I'll actually mentor you, show you what to say, what not to say. We are willing to help any of our students out getting up and running, making this kind of money, having the confidence to go out and do it yourself. You will definitely have the confidence once you take this course. Anyway, super easy, it's rewarding, and that's all, folks. Talk at you. GarageDoorTrainingSchool.com. Our school's proven. We're going to get you into business. We'll see you in the class. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom there. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.